Kshatriya, please. You can never tire of the love that you get from this crowd, right?
नमस्कार मुंबई. तुमचा जो सपोर्ट आमच्यासाठी होता तो फार आणि तुमच्या सपोर्टमुळे जे काय आम्ही करू शकलो असे क्षण फार कमी येतात आयुष्यात, पण त्या क्षणाला तुमच्याबरोबर आम्ही जेव्हा हा आनंद शेअर करतो त्यावेळेला इट बिकम्स इवन मोर. थँक यू व्हेरी मच फॉर ऑल युअर सपोर्ट.
Was it easier when you were playing than sitting outside?
No, I enjoyed. As long as I'm on a cricket field, it feels nice. I thoroughly enjoyed the journey, which didn't start off that well. But the team stuck together. There were some challenging moments, and true character of any side is displayed when the tough times are there and the challenges are there in front of you. Credit to the entire team, the support staff, the owners, everyone, and also our fans for having faith in us.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Sachin Tendulkar. Let's get the captain up now. Dule Raja. Rohit Sharma, the captain of Mumbai Indians. Rohit, yesterday on TV I said that for your wedding, we're going to buy you the Eden Gardens pitch. We're going to roll it up and send it to you as a present. You like that ground, don't you?
This is the ground where I started my career, so this place cannot get any better. I always love playing in front of this wonderful crowd here. Their support throughout the IPL was fantastic, and I encourage them to come and support us the similar way they have been all throughout, and it wouldn't have been possible without them. So this trophy belongs to all of y'all, and I would like to thank all the supporters of Mumbai and Mumbai Indians wherever they are in the world. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, and most importantly, thank you to all the people standing right here. Without them, it wouldn't have been possible. So thank you.
Is it fair to say that they are the crowd is the 12th man on the field?
Absolutely, absolutely. You know, their support and the energy flowing on the ground right now. It's simply amazing. So I feel at the top of the world right now. So I just hope, you know, they continue their true support to us whenever we come and play here.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, the captain, Rohit Sharma. Akash, can we have a word with you as well? Quick word. Wow. How much heart